Good morning, students. Today we started our new exercise, that is exercise 4D of chapter number 4. Previously, we have completed up to exercise 4C. Now, I am going to start your new exercise, that is exercise 4D. This exercise is based on the word problem. So, your first question is Mr. Verma spent 1 upon 2 of his salary on household. Okay, there is a person named Mr. Verma. He spent 1 upon 2 of his salary on his household. Okay, and 1 upon 3 of his salary on education. What fraction of salary did in total did he spend? Okay, 1 upon to spend on household and 1 upon to spend on education. Then they want to find out the total one. So all of you know very well now what we do in total. In total we do always plus. And in the case of left, what we do? In the case of left we do minus. In the case of total we do plus. Okay. So just write here, fraction of salary spent on household is 1 by 2. What is the fraction of salary spent on household is 1 by 2, and fraction of salary spent on education is 1 by 3. Now total fraction of spent salary, what is the total? Always u2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3. And in the previous class I am also explained this one. Again I am going to see here 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3. First find the LCM. LCM comes 6. All of you know how to find the LCM like that one. Remember or not? 2 ones are 2 and 3 ones are 3. Then LCM is 3 2s are or 2 is 6. Okay, this is your LCM. Now just write here 1 here in the table of 2 6 come 3 time plus 1 here in the table of 6 come 2 time. Then what will come? 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2 upon 6. Then your answer is 5 by 6. Like that one we do the addition of fraction. Now just see here what is LCM is 6. Write 1 here in the table of 2 6 come 3 time. Now write 1 here in the table of 6 come 2 time. Now just solve. 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2 upon 6, that is 5 by 6. It means that the total fraction of salary spent is 5 upon 6. Now one more thing I want to tell you, that if you want to find out the total in fraction, then total work in fraction is always 1. Always remember that total work in fraction is always equal to 1. Always remember that. Total work, total weight, whatever, if anything is given in fraction, total weight, total work, total length, whatever it was, in the fraction you take always 1. What you take? Total in fraction you always take 1. If you need the total, then take always 1. Now come on the second question. A rope is 7 is to 2 by 3 meter long. It is a mixed fraction. If 5 is to 1 upon 3 is cut from it, how much rope is left? What we do in left, all of you know na, we do minus in left. Now I explain the question. If the rope is long, suppose you have one rope, what is the length? 7 is to 2 by 3 meter. Okay, if 5 is to 1 upon 3 is cut from it, okay, suppose you cut this part you cut, and what is the length is 5 is to 1 upon 3. And what is the rope of left? What is the length of this rope? Okay, now and again I am going to explain. Total rope you have this, suppose you cut this much left, this much you cut, and the length is 5 is to 1 upon 3. Then what is the length of the remaining rope? You have to find this one. So what you do, from the total subtract this one, you get this part. Suppose in normal it is 10 and this part is 7, so what is this part? 10 minus 7, what you get? 3. It means that from the total one you subtract this part, you will get the remaining length. Now I write here total length of rope you have 7 is to 2 upon 3. Total length of rope is 7 is to 2 upon 3, that is 3. Now you know how can we convert the mixed fraction. One again I am telling, so like that one, 3 sevens are 21. Then add upper part and write numerator same. What is become 23 upon 3. All of you know how to solve the mixed fraction. Now 3 sevens are 21 and 2 as it is upon 3, then is 23 upon 3 meters, the total length of the rope. Now total length of the cut rope, what is the cut rope length? 5 is to 1 upon 3. Now 5 3 is 15 plus 1 upon 3 is 16 upon 3. Now they ask find the length of the left rope. How can you find the left? From the total, subtract this part. So length of the left rope is equal to total, you write here, and the length of the cut rope is this. So from the total minus cut rope you will get the left rope. Now just LCM is same. If LCM is same, write as it is same, and the upper part write same. Okay, then 23 minus 16, what you get? 7 7 upon 3. Now all of you know how can we convert into mixed fraction again. 1 again I am telling. 3 2 is 6 minus 1. So how can we do? Just write it is 7 upon 3 na. Then just write 3 here. What is the remainder? Remainder put upside. And what is the quotient? Quotient is 2, and 2 put in front of it, that is 2 is to 1 upon 3, your answer. Now we have converted into a mixed fraction. How can we convert? 3 as it is, as I told here, 7 divided by 3, 3 2 is 6 minus 1, and 3 as it is, remainder come, that is remainder 1, remainder come upside, and the quotient come in front of it. It is your answer. Now just check. 3 2 is 6, and then plus 1 upon 3, what will come? 7 upon 3. Okay, it means that you can write a improper fraction into a mixed fraction. In the previous class I already also teach you how to convert a proper fraction or improper fraction. Okay, and how you convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction and mixed fraction into an improper fraction. If you have any doubt, then just watch the previous video again. So what is the length of the left rope? Length of the left rope is 2 is to 1 upon 3 meter. Now come on the third question. Ashish bought 4 liter of juice. Total juice you have 4 liter. He drank 3 upon 4 liter of juice. Drank juice you have 3 upon 4 liter. It means there is a one person named Ashish. He have total juice 4 liter, and this much juice he already drank or drink, you can say. How much juice is left? What we do in left? Left we do minus na. From the total minus the drank juice, you will get the left juice. Okay, so just write here total juice you have 4 liter, drank juice you have 3 upon 4 liter. Now juice left, what is the juice left? From the total minus the drank juice. Now if no number is there, then write 1 by your side. By default 1 is present here. Now if find the LCM, LCM is 4. Now 4 here in the table of 1. In the table of 1, 4 come 4 time. Now minus 3 into, in the table of 4, 4 come 1 time. Then it become 4 4 is 16, and my 3 1 is 3 upon 4. Now just see here, 4 LCM in the table of 4, right as it is. In the table of 1, 4 come 4 time. 3 as it is. In the table of 4, 4 come 1 time. What do you get? For 4 is 16, 3 1 is 3, you got 13 upon 4. And if you convert into a mixed fraction, just divide 13 by 4. 4 3 is 12, remainder is 1. So write 4 as it is, remainder upside, and quotient in front of it. It is your answer in mixed fraction. It means that 3 is to 1 upon 4 liter of juice is left. Now come on the fourth question. Fourth question, Amar covered 7 kilometer by bus. Okay, there is a one person named Amar. He covered 7 kilometer by bus and 3 is to 4 upon 5 kilometer by car. How much more distance he covered by bus? Okay, now here we have to do the comparison. We have to do the comparison. Comparison means which distance covered by bus and car you have, and the question asks that how much distance did he covered by bus, how much more distance. It means that you have to subtract here. Suppose I am giving one normal example. There is a one person, there are two students in a class. One student weight is 10 kg and other student weight is 12 kg. Then how much more, weight of first student is 10 kg and weight of other student is 12 kg. Then how much more weight did he have? Then what is the difference between them is 2 na. It means there's 2 kg weight is more to the other student. It means that you have to do normal subtract here. If they do the comparison, you do always minus. Suppose one more example, one weight height 10 meter, one boy height 10 meter, other boy height 15 meter. Then how much more height you this boy have? Only 5 meter more, no? 10 already he have, 10 15 he have. Then what is the what is the much more height he have? Only 5 meter. So in if if you do the comparison, then always do minus. Now just see here, distance covered by bus you have 7 kilometer. Okay, distance covered by car you have 3 is to 4 upon 5. Now convert 5 3 is a 15 plus 4 upon 5, that is 19 upon 5 kilometer. 7 kilometer covered by bus and 19 upon 5 kilometer covered by car. Now the question asks how much more distance covered by bus. Simply you do subtract more distance covered by bus from the 7. It means that from the bus you subtract that one car. Then by default 1 present here, then write 1. Now take the LCM, 7 as it is in the table of 1, 5 come 5 time, 19 as it is in the table of 5 come 1 time. Now just calculate. 7 5s are 35, 19 1s are 19 upon 5. When you subtract, you get 16 upon 5. Now convert into a mixed fraction directly. 5 3s are 15, 1 here. Then write as it is here, remainder upside and quotient in front of it. The answer is 3 is to 1 upon 5 kilometer distance is covered more by bus. Okay. So if they ask always how much more or how much less, then what you do, always do minus. If they ask the comparison, then always you do minus. Now the last question of this exercise question is that in a combined project, there is a combined project. Suppose I am taking one project here like that one. Ashu did 1 upon 4 work. Ashu did 1 upon 4 work. And Sahil do 1 upon 4 work. Then how much work done by Rahil? They want to ask from Rahil. Okay. There is a project. For project means some students are combined together and to perform one work. Then total work is always one, as I told you, na. If in the fraction you have to find the total work, what you write? Always write 1. So total work is always 1. Now fraction of work done by Ashu is 1 upon 4 you have, and fraction of work done by Sahil you have 1 upon 4. Fraction of done by Ashu is 1 upon 4, and also the fraction of done by Sahil is 1 upon 4. Then fraction of work done by both Ashu and Sahil together. If you have to take both together, then what will you do? Just add na. Suppose one strand weight 10 kg, other strand weight 12 kg, then what is the weight of both the student together? Then you do add 10 plus 12, that is 22 na. So fraction of work done by Asu 1 upon 4, fraction of work done by Sahil 1 upon 4, then fraction of work done by both Asu and Sahil is 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Now LCM is same, then write as it is same, 1 plus 1, that is 2 upon 4. 2 upon 4, when you cut 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, that you will get 1 upon 2. But you will get 1 upon 2. It means that total work, if there is a one total work, then Asu and Sahil together can complete 1 upon 2 work. What is the remaining work? So from the total minus this work, you get remaining work. One again I am telling. Suppose total work you have to count 1, and this much work is complete by Sahil and Ashu both, and what is the both work 1 by 2. Then you have to find the remaining work. Then from the total work subtract this work, you will get the remaining work. Then I write here fraction of work done by Rahil. Fraction of work done by Rahil. It means that Rahil can do the remaining work na. Total work they are doing, total project are there. Asu complete their work. Asu complete their work, and Sahil complete their work, and the remaining work is completed by the Rahil. Then I am showing you via one diagram. Suppose this much work is done by Asu, that is 1 upon 4. Now this much work is done by, that is the other name, Sahil, that is 1 upon 4. and this is the remaining work. Remaining work can do, who can do? Rahil na. This is done by Asu, this is done by Sahil, and this work is done by Rahil. That is the remaining work. How can you find? Then from the total add this to 1 na. Then you have to first find both together. Together they can do 1 upon 2 work. And what is the total work? Total work is 1. So from the total subtract this one, you will get Rahil work. So right here, fraction of the work done by Rahil. What can do Rahil? How much the work is done by the Rahil? So from the total you subtract the work done by both 1 upon 2. Now write 1 here from your side. That is take 2 LCM. Now 1 as it is in the table of 1 2 come 2 time. Now 1 as it is in the table of 2 2 come 1 time. That is 2 ones are 2 and 1 ones are 1 upon 2. Then your final answer is 1 upon 2. It means that fraction of work done by the Rahil is 1 upon 2. Finally, Asu do 1 upon 2 work. Asu do 1 upon 4 work. Sahil do 1 upon 4 work, and Rahil do what? How many work? 1 upon 2 work. And what is the total work? Total work is always 1. As I told, total work is always 1. So if you have any doubt in any question, you can ask me now. Thank you.